Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Canon has issued a security privacy warning for Canon Inkjet printer users. And we're talking about printers that have access to Wi-Fi, so wireless printers. 196 models are actually affected by a flaw. That means that even if you actually reset the Wi-Fi settings or reset the printer, anybody that you sell the printer to, give the printer to, a tech guy that you might have it fixed or just discarded, could take the printer and go and read all of the information needed to connect to your home or business Wi-Fi network. It contains the SSID, which is the name of your network, even if it's invisible. It contains, of course, your password for your Wi-Fi network. So it knows what security type you're using, WEP, WPA, PA2, PA3, and so on. It also knows IP address and special configuration of the network that might be in the printer for use. So basically, this is a huge problem because throwing away your printer suddenly makes it a security risk. So it's Canon printers only. There's 196 models affected. I will actually be sharing the list of models. It is available. I'll show the link to this. This is a security issue that is done July 31st, so today. And if your printer's in there in the list, what do you do if you want to sell it, if you want to throw it away because it doesn't print anymore or so on? What Canon says is that in the settings, when you reset the printer, so there's two ways. One is instructions on wiping the Wi-Fi settings. You reset all settings, go into reset settings and then reset all. You actually enable the wireless network and then you reset all settings one more time. So basically you reset, turn on Wi-Fi, reset, it's gone. Same, a little different for some other printers. It's reset LAN settings, local area network settings. Enable the wireless LAN, and then reset LAN settings one more time. So reset LAN settings, enable, reset LAN settings again, and then your printer should be okay. So the list of printers is in this document here that I will share. So look for the link below. And hopefully, if you discard your printer, especially if you're a business, small business at home, general business, and you have these printers, if you discard or send them to somebody else, be sure to do the procedure so that you stay safe, because home network, it could still be a problem depending on what you do, but businesses is even worse. So make sure that you're careful. And, you never know what they could do. Not only can they steal and check anything when they're on your network, they can actually use your network against you. So make sure that you do the procedures of the double reset before you discard the printer or give it away. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.